stop scrolling. Today, we're unveiling the legendary comeback. The 2026 Honda NX250 is back and better than ever.
Imagine pressing the starter button early in the morning, the city still half asleep, the air calm and quiet, and knowing that whatever direction you choose today, crowded streets, long highways, broken back roads, or roads you've never seen before, your motorcycle is ready for all of it. But before we go any further, there is a surprise waiting for you at the end of this video, something important that every adventure and daily riding motorcycle fan needs to hear. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. This is Asa Rider, and today we're diving deep into the new 2026 Honda NX250. The 2026 Honda NX250 is not a motorcycle designed to impress on paper alone. It doesn't exist to dominate spec charts or chase aggressive numbers. Instead, it arrives with a calm confidence that feels rare in today's motorcycle world. Honda has taken a respected and nostalgic name and reimagined it for riders who want something real, something that fits into everyday life, while still opening the door to freedom and adventure. This motorcycle is for riders who ride because they love the feeling of motion, independence, and discovery, not because they want to prove anything to anyone. From the very concept of the NX250, you can sense that it is built around reality. Most rides are not perfect. Roads aren't always smooth. Traffic isn't always friendly. Weather changes, plans change. Honda understands that most riders don't live on racetracks or mountain passes. They live in cities, towns, and places where roads can be unpredictable. The NX250 feels like it was built for those exact conditions. The design of the 2026 Honda NX250 reflects purpose. Over-exaggeration, it looks capable without looking aggressive. It looks tough without being intimidating. The upright stance gives you a commanding and confident view of the road, making you feel in control even in busy traffic. At the same time, the bike remains compact and approachable, which is especially important for new riders or those who prefer lighter, easier motorcycles. Every part of the design feels intentional. Nothing feels oversized just for show. Nothing feels delicate or overly complex. The NX250 looks like a motorcycle that wants to be ridden daily, not hidden away or treated like a fragile machine. It carries a sense of quiet durability, the kind that makes you trust it even before you ride it. The fuel tank is shaped to fit naturally between your knees, giving you stability and control. Whether you're cruising smoothly on open roads or standing slightly over uneven surfaces, the bike feels planted and cooperative. The body panels are clean and functional, built to handle dust, rain, heat, and everyday wear without constant worry. This is not a bike that demands perfection from its rider. It adapts to you. At the heart of the 2026 Honda NX250 is a quarter-liter engine, designed for smoothness, balance, and long-term reliability. This engine doesn't try to overwhelm you. It doesn't deliver power in sudden bursts or demand constant attention. Instead, it provides calm, predictable performance that builds confidence mile after mile. Throttle response is smooth and forgiving, which makes city riding easy and stress-free. Pulling away from traffic lights feels controlled and natural. Riding through congested streets feels manageable. Rather than exhausting as speed builds power, delivery remains linear and composed, giving you exactly what you need without unnecessary drama. For new riders, this engine feels friendly and reassuring. It allows learning without fear. For experienced riders, it feels refined and relaxed, perfect for long rides and daily use. It's the kind of engine that encourages smooth riding and rewards patience rather than aggression. You don't fight the bike, you flow with it. In real-world riding conditions, the NX250 truly proves its value. In the city, it feels light, agile, and responsive. Maneuvering through traffic, filtering between lanes, and navigating tight streets feels natural and effortless. The bike never feels heavy or cumbersome, which makes a huge difference during daily commutes on highways. The NX250 settles into a comfortable rhythm. It holds cruising speeds without feeling strained or unstable. The bike feels planted and confident, reducing fatigue on longer journeys. You don't feel rushed and you don't feel tense. You simply ride when road conditions change. The NX250 adapts without complaint. Broken pavement, uneven asphalt, gravel roads, and rough patches don't shake its confidence. While it's not designed to replace a hardcore off-road motorcycle, it offers enough capability to encourage exploration. It invites you to leave the perfect roads behind and discover what lies beyond. Ride comfort is one of the strongest qualities of the 2026 Honda NX250. The suspension is tuned to absorb imperfections rather than punish the rider. Potholes, Bumps and rough surfaces are handled smoothly, which becomes especially important during longer rides. The upright riding position plays a huge role in reducing fatigue. Your back stays straight, your arms remain relaxed, and your vision stays clear. There's less pressure on your wrists and shoulders, which allows you to ride longer without discomfort. Wide handlebars give excellent leverage, making slow speed control easy and high-speed stability reassuring. Handling on the NX250 feels natural and confidence-inspiring. The bike leans smoothly into corners, responding predictably to your inputs. There are no sudden surprises, no awkward transitions. Everything feels balanced and controlled. The lightweight nature of the bike makes riding feel enjoyable. Rather than demanding, direction changes feel effortless. Tight turns feel manageable even in unfamiliar situations. The NX250 feels forgiving. It allows riders to grow, improve, and experiment without fear. Braking performance is calm, controlled, and predictable. The brakes provide progressive stopping power that's easy to modulate. There's no harsh initial bite that could unsettle the bike. Instead, braking feels smooth and reassuring, which is exactly what real-world riding requires. In traffic on uneven roads or during sudden stops, the braking system supports the rider rather than surprising them. This consistency adds another layer of confidence and safety to the overall riding experience. Technology on the 2026 Honda NX250 is refreshingly simple. Honda has avoided unnecessary complexity, focusing instead on features that genuinely improve usability. The digital display is clear and easy to read, presenting essential information without distraction. Everything feels intuitive. You don't need to dig through menus or learn complicated systems. This simplicity keeps your focus where it belongs on the road ahead. It also contributes to long-term reliability, as fewer complex systems mean fewer potential issues over in Mom's site. Ergonomics on the NX250 are clearly designed around real riders. The seat provides good support, without becoming uncomfortable over long distances. The foot peg position creates a natural leg angle, reducing strain on knees and hips. Riders of different heights and experience levels can feel comfortable and confident on this motorcycle. Fuel efficiency is another major strength of the NX250. Its efficient engine allows long distances on a single tank, reducing fuel stops and overall running costs. For daily commuters, this means saving money and time. For adventurers, it means more freedom and fewer worries. You can take longer routes, explore unfamiliar roads, and enjoy spontaneous rides without constantly checking the fuel gauge. That sense of freedom is a huge part of what makes the NX250 appealing. Honda's reputation for reliability is deeply embedded in this motorcycle. The NX250 is built with proven engineering and durable materials designed to last. Maintenance is straightforward and ownership feels stress-free. There is a quiet confidence that comes with riding a Honda. You trust that the bike will start when you need it. You trust that it will handle daily use without complaint. That peace of mind allows you to focus on the joy of riding, rather than worrying about the machine. The new 2026 Honda NX250 is made for riders who value balance. It's ideal for beginners who want a confidence-building motorcycle that doesn't intimidate. It's equally appealing to experienced riders who want simplicity, comfort, and versatility without sacrificing enjoyment. It suits commuters who ride every day. It suits weekend explorers who enjoy escaping routine. It suits riders who want one motorcycle that can handle many roles without demanding compromise. What truly sets the NX250 apart is its ability to offer adventure without pressure. It doesn't force aggressive riding. It doesn't punish mistakes. It invites you to explore at your own pace. It encourages you to ride more often, not faster, beyond features and performance. The NX250 creates an emotional connection. It feels friendly, it feels dependable. It feels like a motorcycle you can grow with. Over time, it becomes part of your routine, part of your lifestyle, and part of your journey. The new 2026 Honda NX250 is not about hype or trends. It's about harmony. It blends comfort, efficiency, reliability, and versatility into one well-balanced machine. It proves that adventure doesn't need to be extreme to be meaningful. And now remember that surprise we mentioned right at the beginning of this video. It's coming up next, a key detail and insight about the NX250 that most people completely overlook, and it might change the way you see this motorcycle. So don't click away just yet. Stay with us till the very end. This is Acer Rider. Ride smart, ride free, and keep chasing the road ahead.